Enjoy eating eggplant? I've got you covered. In this video, I share with you an amazing recipe for eggplant croquetas. It's simple, fast, and delicious. All the how-tos coming right up. To begin our dish, we're going to take all of our eggplants. I have some Thai and Japanese white eggplants from the garden. I'm going to quickly rinse these off and take all the green stems off. Now what we're going to do is poke these little holes in the eggplant. Now I have the Thai and the Japanese. If you have regular, the purple or the aubergine colored eggplants, simply lay them out like this. You wash them, split them, and poke holes on the sides right here. Turn this guy over. And just poke. And that's it. And that way when we roast them, they're gonna do quite nicely, and we pull the flesh out of the skin. We only do that with the longer ones, the bigger ones. So meanwhile, I have my oven preheating on roast. I'm gonna put that in there for about 30 minutes. Now some people like to char their eggplant to give them that smoky flavor. I'm not a huge fan of that, but you certainly can do that. And then take away all the charredness and put all your ingredients together, but that's not my preference. I'm gonna poke holes in everything and simply roast them, and they're going to come out amazing. When you're roasting them, you don't have to put olive oil or any kind of oil now. What we're gonna do is add the olive oil and the garlic after, when we're mixing everything together. This looks great. You can tell these are done. You can put this knife in here and it's just like butter. Take them out, set them right on the side so they cool down enough to handle. Okay, so I'll load these into our food processor. As I said, I'm keeping the skin on. So what I'm gonna do here is take this and just take out the innards here. A couple of cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add 4 teeth. Yeah, 2 more. That'll be good enough. Add a little bit of kosher salt, and we're gonna mix this up. Look at this. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Thick. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Give this a little taste. My kitchen smells absolutely divine. Look at that. Oh yeah. Incredible. All right, let's move on to the next step. What you want to do is to flatten this out to a nice big rectangle. Put a piece of garlic there. Our eggplant mixture is out of the freezer, and what we're going to do is put this into little quadrants. You can make these as big or as little as you want to. I don't want them too large. When I took them out of the freezer, I had to let them sit for a minute or so just to relax a little bit so it was easier to cut them. That's what we're gonna start with right now. I'm gonna put the rest of them back in the freezer. We'll start with these right here. This is my setup. I have my quinoa flour. If you like regular flour, that's fine. Gluten-free flour, whatever is your preference, that will work. This is 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg. And then I have some gluten-free breadcrumbs that have been finely ground. And I'll put my little tray really close to the pan with a little grapeseed oil in it because I do want to keep this area somewhat organized. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna dip it in the flour and then do the egg mixture and then the breadcrumbs. Look at that. Okay. My spice is actually going to be in the sauces that I'm serving this with, and I'll share that with you at the end. I'm gonna change things up a little bit, and I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese to my flour mixture, my quinoa flour. You can also, if you want a different shape, you can make these into more of a roll or a ball. It's time to try our eggplant croquetas. I'm very excited. I just poured some of my mango salsa and a spicy mayonnaise, a cream of chile here. And both of those I'm going to test try on my eggplant croquetas. Now, I do warn you, when these first get off the griddle there, do not try to eat them. It is so hot inside. Oh my God, you can really burn yourself. Wait till they cool down. I know you're gonna be tempted. I know, I was too. And I tried it and I burned my tongue, so I'm just letting you know. Okay, here we go. Wait for it. Oh my God. Oh no. That is to the moon. Bellissimo.